everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariel. Today's video is going to be really brief. I'm going to show you how I like to contour my jawline. In other words, how I like to get an instant double chin lipo. I have a full face of makeup on. Pretty much I've done every step, and the last step I wanted to do was contour my jawline, so you can see how I like to go like from this to this. I am a plus size gal, and I do have a little bit of fat right here, and when I do a full face, I like to leave this, you know, a little bit more snatched. It looks better in pictures. It defines my jawline. What we're trying to achieve with this instant lipo is to diffuse this light right here that is reflecting off of my table. Everything is just bouncing off this convex part of my face. The point of contour is to make things look sucked in. So this is what you're gonna need. The Anastasia stick foundation in Mink. This is a contour stick. I'm running out, but this is it. And I'm gonna use the light to medium contour kit, also by Anastasia. You don't really have to use a cream contour product, but I recommend it because it just makes the area darker, it makes the powder last longer, and it really does define it much, much better. And I'm gonna use two of my favorite brushes to apply this product. First is the Real Techniques 200 brush and the Real Techniques 402 brush. All right, let me get you a little closer. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is take your contour stick and you're gonna
do a little earth on face.
And I want you to apply the contour where you see the light reflecting off of like this skin on your neck. Don't go here where there's a shadow. Don't go here where there's a shadow, just like right there. Already you can see it's making my jawline pointier. So then you take your Real Techniques 200 brush and you're just gonna start blending it upward into the chin and then softly diffuse it outward towards your ear. Are you seeing this? Snatched. Now I have a kind of uneven shadow on my jawline. I've had this always, and it's because of this expression that I always make. But see how it creates this like shadow right here, and it just makes this look like jowls? I don't want that yet. So I take the contour stick and I just apply the teeniest bit there. And then I just blend it down and a little bit higher than my natural jawline. And boom, that jowl is gone. Now here we have the same stitch going on. So I'm just gonna very lightly apply some of that cream contour and just refine my jawline. Now please note that I am not applying this all the way to my ears. I don't want like this action going on, because see how I've done some baking here in a lighter color? If you do a really dark line and then this super light powder color here, you're gonna look like Frankenstein face. Like you're gonna look so square. You just diffuse whatever you put here, just like upward, and the eye is just gonna finish that line for you. So let's see. There we go. There is my supermodel jawline. Now I take the Real Techniques 402 setting brush, which I highly recommend everyone get. I use this for so many things. You need it in your life. I'm just gonna dip into these two colors, and then we're gonna set the cream contour. All right, and we're back. That is all you need to do to refine your jawline. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like these where I just explain one technique. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video with a friend. I would really appreciate it. It shows me that you care. I will see you in the next video, and until then, bye.